If I could say anything to myself when I was 20, was that you need to spend as much time as you do partying and hanging out in between your athletic endeavors. You need to spend that time recovering. I injured myself a lot in my 20s. I tore my IT band, I broke my leg and my arm. And most of that was because on days that I was tired, on days that I wasn't spending time on myself, I was careless in my actions, and then I hurt myself. It was a broken arm, or it was a broken leg, or it was a torn tendon that took me out for 6 weeks. If I could tell my younger self anything, rest. Take that time for yourself. If I could say anything to younger athletes now, is that your time on the court, in the field, on the track is finite. Spend that time wisely. If you have a goal that you're working towards, work towards it like it's nothing else that you have. Work towards that goal like there's nothing else that you should be doing with your time. And part of that should be spent taking care of your body. I sure didn't, and I injured myself often. And I think I stumbled through a lot of things that I probably would have excelled at if I would have spent the time on myself. So if that was one thing I would tell my younger self, was take your job seriously, and part of your job is to recover.